The heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist. It is located just behind and slightly left of the breastbone named sternum. The human heart pumps blood throughout the body via circulatory system, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the tissue and removing carbon dioxide and other wastes. The heart consists of 4 chambers. 2 chambers are located in the upper portion of the heart called atria, which consist of right and left atrium, while the 2 chambers are located in the lower portion of the heart called ventricles, which consist of right and left ventricle. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the veins and pumps it to the right ventricle. The right ventricle receives that blood from the right atrium and pumps it to the lungs, where it is loaded with oxygen. As the blood is now oxygenated, the left atrium receives that oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of